Hurricane season begins on Sunday, and that means now is the time to make sure that your hurricane insurance policy is up to date.
Absolutely right. As CBS News' Miami's Elliot Rodriguez found out, recent changes have made more options available now to consumers.
We have dwelling coverage.
Daniel Benjamin and his wife Lindsay Abendondolo are doing an insurance checkup. They're going through their homeowners policy, checking to see what's covered in the event of a storm.
The home is our largest asset. It's everything that we need, and that everything we need is inside of the home. Our family lives here, so protecting it should be our biggest priority.
We took the safe side of things and really tried to find coverage that was right for us and protected our home and everything in it, and protected us from anything bad in the future.
An insurance checkup simply means reviewing your policy declarations page, checking your coverage limits, deductibles, policy changes, and contact information for your agent or insurance company. The good news for consumers is that despite 3 storms, Debbie, Helene, and Milton, making landfall in Florida last year, buying insurance has become more affordable now that more companies are doing business in the state.
There are many new insurers that have come to Florida, and they're willing to write policies in South Florida, something we haven't heard for many years. These companies say they're open for business. They will write in all counties of the state, so that's giving consumers more choices.
He credits the legislature for cracking down on fraudulent roofers and lawsuits. The result is more than a dozen new companies entering Florida's insurance market, many of them taking over policies once held by Citizens, the insurance company of last resort.
Citizens has reduced its exposure by nearly 50% over the last 2 years. Why? Because of a healthier private insurance market, meaning private insurers can take on Citizens policies through what's called the depopulation program.
Daniel and Lindsay shopped around and found a company offering better premiums and discounts for things like leak detectors. Lindsay is an attorney who handles insurance cases, so she knows better than most that flood insurance is a separate but equally important policy.
Even if it's not for a hurricane kind of coverage, you need flood, because the type of damage that you will likely have will not be covered under your homeowner's policy.
If you live in South Florida, you're always going to be prone to flooding, and it's not just hurricane season. We have year-round flood events in South Florida, whether it's a spring storm, it's king tides. There's all types of flooding events in South Florida. And then, of course, hurricane season.
Now, the Insurance Information Institute estimates that only about 20% of Florida homeowners have flood insurance, and they say it's a big mistake, especially since flood insurance is easy to find and prices are competitive. So don't forget to put that on your hurricane checklist. And guys, in order to do that checklist, you got to go to your file cabinet, pull out that declarations page. It's all right there on that page.
But you got to read the fine print.
Read it. Go over it.
Yeah.
Now's the time.
Yeah, good to know, though, people have options.
Yes, that's right.
It wasn't that way for a while, though. It's getting pretty expensive. All right, Elliot, thank you.